Oh, mayonnaise. Yan, very good. Okay, tomato. Tomato. Tomato na. Okay. Put the tomato. Very good. Ayusin mo yan. And hot dogs. Opo. Nag-wash naman ikaw ng hands, di ba? O, put pa ng hot dogs. More hot dogs pa. Alright. O, sige na. O, close mo na. Yay!